Okay, welcome guys to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to submit your site to search engine. Okay, so the first thing to do is to know if your site map is on Google. So you go to google.com, you type in your domain name slash sitemap.xml. That's your domain name slash sitemap.xml. Yeah, I'm typing in my forum's domain name, then I'm putting a slash sitemap.xml. Okay, so you will not do this on Google, you do it on your browser, in your browser search. So I'll copy this and I'll then paste it on my browser and I'll then click enter. This is to confirm if I have a sitemap. So yeah, you can see I have a sitemap on Google already. There are other ways to check this. You can also use your domain name slash sitemap_index.xml. So that's your domain name slash sitemap_index.xml. So as you can clearly see, I have a sitemap on Google that is for this particular forum. You can also use your domain name slash robots.txt to see it as well. So I'll be showing you how to create your own sitemap. It's easy. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, then click on add new. So this is where you add new plugins to your site, your WordPress site. So I'll click on the search button and type in YOAST. That's YOAST. It's a popular plugin amongst SEOs and amongst bloggers as well. So then click on install now. So as it's installing, it's gathering up all the files and putting them in your WordPress site. So after installing, an activation button then pops up and you have to click on that button here. It will then pop up this button over here. You click on it. After clicking, it should take a second for it to activate, to be fully activated on your site. Then it will then redirect you to all the list of plugins installed on your site. Scroll down to the ending part and click on the use settings. That is the settings over here. So after clicking it, it will redirect you to the use settings page. So now we are on the general settings page. You have the dashboard, features, implementations, and other tools, webmaster tools. Click on features, then scroll down a little to XML sitemaps. That's it. Here, make sure it's turned on. Then click on the question mark up. Then click on see full sitemap. As easy as that. It will then load to a new page on your browser. Yeah, this is it. All you need to do now is to copy the text after the slash. So after you've copied it, you save it. I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. This is a new forum I just created, named thekojiforum.com. So you go to your sidebar and your Search Console, click on Sitemaps. That's, you see it on your Search Console sidebar. Then you then land on a page that says add a new sitemap. What you need to do is to paste that text you copied from the other video and then paste it here and click on submit. Within minutes, your sitemap should be on Google. Yeah. Okay, this is how to add your sitemap to Bing. Okay, how to add your sitemap to Bing. The first thing to do is you go to your Google search or your browser and then type in Bing Webmaster Tools. You then type in Bing Webmaster Tools. The search then loads, and then click on the first result you're seeing, which is the Bing Webmaster Tools above. Then click enter. Okay, new page then loads. What you will do from here is to click get started. So we have three ways to sign in. Either we use a Microsoft method, a Google method, or the Facebook method. I'll be using the Google method to sign up or to sign in, since I don't have an account yet. Okay, I have different accounts over here, so I'll be using a Koji David account to sign up. Okay, this is actually my former domain that I'm not using, so I'll just click cancel. Okay, if you want to add your site to Bing Webmaster Tools, there are two ways. Either you add it manually or you import it from your Google Search Console. So this case, I'm adding it manually by putting in my domain name, and I will click add. So it will then load a new page that will teach me will show me how to add my this manually. So I'll download this file, add it to my header. But let's go for the one most people will go for, which is import it from Google Search Console. So then click on import, then click on continue. I'll then sign in using my account, then click allow. I actually have two domain names listed on that account. So I have the Koji David, the kojiforum.com, and I also have Bara Africa. But since I'm the admin, sorry, let me go back. Since I'm the admin of the Koji Forum, I have rights to do anything I wish with it. So I'll then click on it and then click on import. So you then have this message that says, congratulations, site addition successful. Okay, so from here on, you then have your left panel, your left menu. Click on sitemaps and then click on submit sitemap. Then you add your domain name. When you're submitting your sitemap to Bing, it's the same thing as submitting your sitemap to Yahoo. So there's no reason for you to go to yahoo.com to submit your sitemap over there again. It's the same stuff. So I'll type in my domain name. And if you like, you can add your sitemap. That is the text we copied earlier on in this video. You can add it to this place. If you don't like, you can just leave like you're submitting your site. So then paste it and then click submit. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Thanks.